Good morning, everybody. We are here. Who do we have first in the chat today? None other than Nick F. What's going on, Nick F? How you doing today? Nura Muhammad, how are you doing? Crypto Rocketeer and Keith Camp. Good morning to all you guys. Let's go check out the market real quick. See what we got going on because the market is looking good so far today. Very interesting activity in both cryptocurrencies and in the stocks. Wild morning so far, and hopefully the upside continues because it has been very interesting indeed. Guys, we've got AMC in the top left, soaring this morning, doing nothing, hitting $9.70, down even further, and then steps on a slow and steady rocket all the way up to $13.70 before coming back down a little bit, but still gaining 10% on the day right now. Shiba Inu coin last night hitting 008, where's it at? 5 zeros and an 8. 5 zeros. It officially added a 0. Bounced back up 50%, guys. 50% gain just from earlier today. Made it up to 1,200 points per coin. Currently sitting at 1,142 points per coin. Wild volatility here. GameStop sitting at $88 after soaring to 108 from 77.77. Massive volatility going on in GameStop today. And down here in the bottom left, we've got Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropping all the way down to $25,000 last night. I got to find it. $25,373. Soaring back up to $30,000 per coin. $29,686 was the high. Currently sitting at $29,000. I'm going to be honest with you guys, okay? I do think that this bounce we're seeing is simply because the prices are very low. I honestly do not believe that the overall crypto downturn is over. I don't think that anything causing these prices to move lower has been resolved. I do, however, see a lot of demand coming in as the prices are low, which is a great sign. But I think the overall reason these cryptos are falling right now, we may continue to see more downside there. But man, it is looking, it's very interesting, right? It is very interesting. GameStop, like I say, up 7.80% right now, is doing very well. Prog, or BR Therapeutics, was down to 63. What was it down to? 60 cents pre-market. Currently jumping up to 72 cents. That is a 20% gain just from earlier today, pre-market on BR Therapeutics. Farmy showing a little bit of life, sitting up 8.67% right now. AMC doing very well. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin. Ethereum and Shiba both down. Bitcoin trying to bounce back, but still, like we say, it's at that $29,000 level, still below that massive support at $30,000. We've got Sundial in the green, 1%. Mullen Auto up 10% today, bouncing off lows at 75 cents, all the way back up to 96. CEI and the SPY both in the red right now. BBIG sitting at $2.50. Highcroft $1.15. Highcroft is well below that break-even point for Adamarin and AMC now, bouncing off a $1 low, so it's up 15% from where it was earlier. That is encouraging. And then Netflix trying to stay in the green, but it is 3% higher at $171. Sorry. And then Luna, my goodness. Luna bottoming at 0.004. 0.004. Guys, that is 0.4 of a cent. And difficult to watch the declines in Luna. But if you guys are willing to take on some risk, I'm telling you right now, it is wild. This 0.004, just look at this little jump here from half a cent to 2 cents. That's a 4x gain, guys. That's a 4x gain right there. So, very interesting, this volatility. It's sitting down here at 2 cents, jumping back up to 13 cents. That's a 6.5x gain. So, very interesting. If you guys are looking at some major lottery ticket plays right here, this one could be something to look into if that's your bread and butter there. But let's go. Let's watch Bitcoin for a minute here and see what we got going on. Morning, Joshua Gisla. How you doing? It's a beautiful morning, Keith. It is a beautiful morning here, man, both in the market and in Ohio. It's very nice. Houdinho, Dabrozinho, Yai, Samanino. How are you, man? Nobody cares about 10% after falling 35% week. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer. I mean, I do agree in the grand scheme of things, but it is still nice to see some green, man. It is still nice to see some green. Knowing that stocks are allowed to go up, man, I was starting to think that stocks are only ever allowed to go down. What do you mean Luna is shut down? Luna is shut down. Can't buy. Oh, next, Transport LLC. Dude, I don't know. It didn't look like the trade button was taken away on Webull this morning, so I don't know where you would be trying to buy it, but I do think that you can buy it on Webull. I did not buy it, but my trade button was still there. Good morning, all you glorious apes. What a wonderful day in the neighborhood. All the latest short positions that helped drop prices yesterday are now underwater. Boom! Ah, Frodo, that's what I'm talking about. Love it, man. Love it when the shorts are underwater. I love it when the shorts are in the red, man. Let's see. Mr. Nice Guy, you my hero today because of yesterday's hints. LFG. Me? I'm the hero? I love it, man. Mr. Nice Guy. I can be your hero, baby. I can take away the pain. Mr. Nice Guy, thank you for the super chat. Everybody else, the same. Thank you very much, Mr. Nice Guy. Appreciate that. And I will be your hero, baby. I will be your hero. Crypto.com shut Luna trading down. So there is a difference, right? Crypto.com may have shut it down, but there is a difference. If anybody does have Webull, like I say, my trade button was still there. It was not grayed out. I could trade it, but I did not try to trade it. If anybody wants to try trading, one coin on Luna, I don't know what the minimum is. If you can go out there and get one coin. Guys, stop spamming. You're going to get blocked, and nobody wants to get blocked. If anybody does want to go try that, you can. Webull trading crypto is slightly different than crypto trading on like Crypto.com or Coinbase and so on, because you're essentially trading derivatives of that crypto, right? You're not actually holding it in a crypto wallet that you can transfer off exchange and so on. You're basically trading the price action on it. So if anybody does want to confirm that, go right ahead. Dude. I can be your hero, baby. You're gonna get yourself blocked. Now, you have to subscribe if you want to spam, okay? Thank you, spammers, for that. You have to subscribe if you want to spam. And also, 5 seconds between messages. So if you see any of these guys trying to spam something there, boom, boom, take them out, man. Take them out. But we do know that they have to subscribe, so the numbers go up there. I like it. Let's see what Kalani said before he got eaten up by the spam. You can still get Luna on Uphold as well. IADDP. Very nice. Somebody confirm it on Webull, though. I did not. I mean, if you want to, right? If you want to go spend a cent, go confirm it. I just know my trade button was there. I didn't actually try to trade it. Hey, Clay, what's with this coin? What's going on with Coinbase? Do you think other centralized exchanges face the same situation? So, yes, Kalani, I do, okay? There's a difference between a broker and the uncharted territory of cryptocurrency centralized exchanges. Now, let me explain that, because I know there's a lot of people that were reading those articles yesterday and watching that video and so on. So I do want to make it very clear that, Coinbase does not have the intentions of just wiping your accounts out at their leisure. What they were saying in their earnings report is that in the event of bankruptcy, and this is the crazy part to me, okay, because they can protect you. They can protect you. That money is still yours. You're not lending it to them. It is still your money, just deposited into an account. Now, if they're filing for bankruptcy, which they say they are not currently facing bankruptcy, but I'm going to be honest with you. Anytime somebody is warning you about something, they expect it to happen, okay? They expect that is a possibility. I'm not going to warn you guys that one day you might turn on the live stream and I'm going to be live streaming from Pluto, okay? That's not a warning, because I am not going to be live streaming from Pluto. Guys, I might turn on the live stream tomorrow and I might not be wearing a white shirt. I mean, I do have a lot of white shirts in my closet, but there is a possibility that I will be wearing a different colored shirt. That's a warning. It is a possibility. Like, I'm not going to be streaming from Pluto, so I'm not going to warn you guys. So if they do believe bankruptcy is a possibility, what they're saying is they don't know how you're going to be treated. They don't know if you're going to be treated as a client or a creditor. And at that, an unsecured general creditor, meaning that you don't have any, claim to your assets at that point. You are loaning your money to them right now to do whatever they want with it with no recourse. So that in and of itself is enough for me to say, forget you, dude. Forget you. Like, why would I lend you my money? I don't even know if I would lend, a friend or family member the amounts of money that people have in their crypto accounts, right? And just say, do whatever you want with it. Don't worry about ever paying me back. And it's just yours to do what you will. That's wild. And that's what they're saying. So in the event of bankruptcy, which they are not currently facing, but 19% less users than the previous quarter, it's not looking great for them right now. Oh dang, am I missing all the bots? JB, yeah, a lot of bots this morning for some reason, man. I don't even know. I don't know why. Definitely green, love green. Once upon a time storytelling, man. I am loving the green as well, dude. So CD Wit, somebody brought up a good question yesterday. They do say that the Coinbase wallet would be safe because it is a decentralized platform. And at that point, they don't have custody over your funds at that point. It's not on their network. However, okay, I don't know what happens to Coinbase wallet if Coinbase goes under. If Coinbase shuts down, do they just shut down Coinbase wallet? What drives Coinbase wallet? What drives that app to remain accessible? And I guess at that point, if Coinbase is declaring bankruptcy and you've got it in Coinbase wallet, sure, they might not freeze your assets, but I really don't know enough about app development to say what would happen to that app. I imagine it could be shut down, but I don't know. I don't know how that works, dude, because it's got to stay on a server to remain on the App Store. But I don't know what that part looks like. So I can't speak with any sort of confidence on what happens to that app. But the funds in that app, they said, would not be subject to Coinbase's custody. What was shut down? Tether or Luna? So JB, somebody was saying that Luna was shut down, man. I don't know if it's shut down on Webull, but some exchanges do seem to have shut down trading on Luna because of the volatility that's going on with it right now. Bro, what's up, brother? Gary, how you doing, man? Would you sell your Shiba? Bought at 2017 price now. Recently got into crypto, so would love to have your opinion. Osaid Shahid, man. Yes, I would. I have not done so yet, okay? I did not see Bitcoin hitting 25,000. Hit that when I was sleeping, and it's back up a little bit right now. So I have not done so yet, but honestly, with it falling down and not being able to regain this $30,000 level, me personally, I'm not opposed to shaving my positions, maybe holding some of them to just have that exposure and still be a part of holding it, but nothing that I would even care about at all. I am right at that point though, man, with where the price of Bitcoin is right now. And the fact that we could see a couple years of declines like we did in 2017, at the end of 2017, beginning of 2018 through 2020, I think we might be. They might be offering us the third and final opportunity to load up on cryptocurrency at just alarmingly low prices. Okay, I don't know how low it's gonna go. I personally do think it's going to go lower, but I think this might be the third and final pitch for a massive dip on crypto. So I'm looking at the optimistic view that this is the potential ultimate and last major buying opportunity. I lost so much on Luna. Last time I checked, 890 investments, now worth $18. Trying to stay positive. A learning experience, I guess. Peak of power. I'm telling you, you know what? It is very difficult to swallow anything like that. And I was reading about Luna. I don't know, okay? I don't know if Luna is going to recover or not. If anybody has done any more research than I have, which is basically just, scrolling through a couple articles, please let us know. Enlighten us a little bit. But regardless of why, I know people are blaming it on BlackRock. I know people are blaming it on the code and things like that. Regardless of why, the stable coin went from $1 to 30 cents. That caused a major problem. And Luna, being one of the, I guess, governance tokens or something with it to keep it pegged to $1, is being minted and burnt in ridiculous quantities, trying to restabilize UST. And because people are losing hope and giving up on the Luna project and everybody's selling off, that's why we saw this major crash. Now, clearly, I always think that people can rebuild. I always think that they can. I don't know if they're going to scrap the Luna project entirely or if this dude and this team will be able to rebuild it and, it does go up in value again. That part I don't know. I don't know if its image is going to be tarnished or if people are going to be like, you know what, it came back from this. It's even bigger, faster, stronger, better, and more well-equipped now because they know how to handle problems like that may arise. Okay, bro, so it's green. But do you think it'll still dropping after it's green? Just a question. Yeah, so Romero, I do think that I don't think that this is the bottom for crypto, okay? I don't think that it's the absolute bottom for crypto. And I'm basing that on the fact that I don't think that the reasons the market is being pushed lower have been resolved. I think that people are bouncing it right now because it is looking very cheap. I think that's the reason for the bounce, but I don't think the underlying conditions are resolved yet. And with you, Clay, I believe at some point they will file Coinbase. Coinbase is what you think. Okay, I'm like, yeah, what are we filing here? Gas prices have been ridiculous with everyone panicking. Dude, I'm telling you, JB, yeah, man. And I was thinking gas prices, in real life too, not just in crypto. But yeah, gas prices trading your crypto, and gas prices rising here for literally no reason either, man. Gas was like $3.90 last week. It's $4.30 yesterday. Rug pull. Yeah, Stoney, I don't know if it was a rug pull, man. I don't know if somebody rug pulled a multi-billion-dollar project and it was because of the developer as to why Luna would have been going down. 200 billion wiped out of crypto in just one day. I saw. Yeah, Cass, the overall crypto market, I'm sure lost $200 billion yesterday. It was, maybe even the day before. Something crummy. I'm considering getting off Coinbase, so I gotta sell it all, pay fees, and take that money elsewhere and run the risk of a different exchange going bankrupt or pay gas fees to transfer from wallet to wallet. Is that how it works? Kalani? Yes. Yep. Basically, man. Basically. So I really don't hold anything. I've just got like free coins on Coinbase. But yes. So if you do think, and here's the deal though, man. Here's the deal. If you're going to try and move from one exchange to another, Coinbase is the largest exchange in the world. They got 89 million users, registered, KYC'd users. That's a lot. And, I mean, that's more than Robinhood has, right? Robinhood's got like 20 million. With Coinbase being so big, moving to another exchange, even if it's Binance or Gemini or another centralized exchange, Kraken, whatever you guys want to use, they're very likely to adopt the same wording and adopt the same sort of responsibility as the world's largest exchange. And here's the tough thing that a lot of people need to realize as well. if you want to take your crypto and turn it into fiat, you need a centralized exchange to do that. Or you need somebody willing to pay you cash for it. If you want crypto, decentralized may be the way to go. And it is all about, I guess, what you want and what you believe the future is. Matthew Perry in the house, man. What's going on, Matthew? It's all about UST recovering. I'm risking 300 on Luna and UST recovering. If it doesn't, then I lose 300. If it recovers to $10, then that is a cool $1 million gain. Yeah, dude. Look, Matthew Perry, from where we're at right now, I don't know where you got it at, but I can't really necessarily do the math in my head because it's like half a cent right now. But even if it does go back to $1, that would be a 200x gain. If it goes back up to 10, that would be a 2000x gain. So you would 2000x your money from the current prices. Every dollar you invested would turn into $2,000 from these current prices. So it is wild to think that even if it goes up to 1/10 of where it was just last month, you're 2000xing your money. So treat it as a gamble, okay? Like Matthew Perry said, man, if you lose $300 on it, you lose $300 on it. If you hit on it, that 300 turns into $1 million, right? But treat it as a gamble because this is, I don't know if it's necessarily not been seen before, but because crypto projects have come and gone. But if they do weather this storm, yeah, I mean, you could see it. Reputation might be tarnished, but they were a multi-billion-dollar project. So hopefully they don't give up on it. And if anybody is willing to take a risk, I mean, there you go. BlackRock is shady. After the article I read, it really looks like they were involved in Luna's. Pika, did you read the article that BlackRock came out and said we are not involved? I don't know, man. I don't know. I do think it is weird that these large institutions feel the need to defend themselves against people on social media. You know what I mean? Especially because I truly don't believe that people using, and some people, right? Some people use Twitter and invest in mutual funds and stuff and allow Vanguard to, or, invest in Vanguard ETFs or BlackRock ETFs and things like that. But I don't think it's their client base, and they're defending themselves maybe against their future client base. But I don't know, man. The guy that is usually first to say that it's not his fault, I don't know, man. It might be his fault. Why in the world would Coinbase flood bankruptcy? It just sends people in a frenzy and they leave. Now they will go banko. They manifested their own destiny. Done. So, Remy, I think that's one of the reasons why they tried to hide it somewhere in their earnings report as opposed to making it a disclaimer on their website or something like that. But, yeah, dude, you're absolutely right. And that part, I don't know. Lawyers, they seem to be smart sometimes, but, maybe they just thought that they could hide it in their earnings report and then cover themselves if it ever did happen. But I without talking to them, I have absolutely no idea. Click a Pete tomorrow and have $1,000 to spend on crypto. Should I buy all Shiba with it and average down, or should I spread it around and buy multiple cryptos? If so, which one? Okay, so Remy, here's my thoughts on that. I'm not ready to buy just yet. Okay, I'm still watching because I truly believe that we're not at the bottom. I truly believe that, we might have a decent ways to go down before we get there. But I have thought about that, and two things, because my potential, buy-in and averaging down are a little bit further off than yours might be. One, I definitely want to spread it out. I've thought about it, and I'm thinking, wow, man, if Ethereum comes down to $100, do you go in and do you just buy 100 Ethereum what do you do with that? Do you buy 100 Ethereum and you're sitting trying to be an Ethereum whale? Do you buy 10 Ethereum and 200 Solana and 10,000 Kronos or Crypto.com? Do you buy 5 billion Shiba Inu coin? And honestly, I think that I'm going to go a little bit more of the diversified route when that time comes that I do want to jump in. I don't think it's yet for me. But I'm going to go a little bit more the diversified route, man. Instead of trying to stack a trillion Shiba Inu coin and hit it big there, I'm going to try and stick with, top 10, top 20 cryptos when I believe they've bottomed and the ones that should survive pretty well. Ethereum, yes. Bitcoin, I may try to get a Bitcoin or so if it comes down far enough in price. I like Ethereum better than Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie, but I still do. I'm gonna go the diversified route on that. But like I say, man, if you would have bought the $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin just last night, you'd already be sitting on $1,500 today. So it's got its pros and its cons, man. It does have its pros and its cons, but seemingly, if you're ready to get in today or tomorrow, then you might be a little bit shorter term or a different mentality than mine. And, if you're looking to trade it, then I don't know. Obviously, you're going to have a little bit of a more concentrated gain if you try to go one. Yeah. Danelle's in here. What's going on, Danelle? I'm down 50% in Shib at the moment, but keep hopes up and a dollar cost down when I can. Brandon, that is the only thing, like aside from selling and trying to get in lower, which is a strategy, dollar cost averaging is one of the best things that you can do if you believe in the future, right? Not everything always has to recover. Like Luna may or may not recover. So dollar cost averaging is a strategy, but you have to be convinced in its future. Even if it's 5 years from now, even if it's 10 years from now, imagine, dude, imagine, 10 years seems like a long time, right? But imagine if you were sitting on 10 years is 2012. Dude, imagine you dropped $1,000 on Bitcoin in 2012. And you were sitting on, my God, 2012 prices, you were sitting on 1,000 Bitcoin right now. And Matt, you'd be pretty happy. You'd be pretty happy sitting on 1,000 Bitcoin. Now, along the way, you would have been like, oh, dude, I turned that $1,000 into $2,000. I'm selling out, man. I made my money. It's at $2 now. I'm selling. Can't believe this thing doubled in price. It's $10, and you're like, oh my God, dude, I'm sitting on 10 grand. I'm like, forget this, man. I'm taking my money and running. So it's a mentality shift that needs to take place and a belief in its future if you want to reach those massive gains, man. Transfer from should people transfer from Coinbase? If so, are there any options for that? I know how to trackers stocks is crypto. So impossible doc. Listen, it's still your decision if you want to transfer out of Coinbase, right? If you believe that Coinbase will go bankrupt and you believe that they will consider you an unsecured general creditor, then, yeah, man, you probably wouldn't want your assets to be in Coinbase at that time. If you believe those things will happen, you're saying, I also believe that my assets will be given to them and worthless. So you wouldn't want that to take place. If you don't believe Coinbase is going to go bankrupt, or even if they do, you don't believe you're going to be considered an unsecured creditor, then I think you're fine, right? You have to make that determination. But there are decentralized wallets. There are other exchanges. I would imagine other exchanges may be very similar in how they would treat their customers. But it is all, I guess, what you believe is going to happen and what makes you feel the most comfortable. Me personally, dude, I take my money personally, right? I do. And I take the way people treat you personally. And if anybody is going to be telling you that you mean nothing to them or that you could mean nothing to them, that hits. That hits, dude. And I'm not a lender. Okay? I am not a lender. I am not going to just be lending. Dude, I don't even know if I would lend a friend or family member the amount of money that I have invested without any recourse if they do or don't want to pay me back, and without any, I guess, care about what they are going to be using it for. That is what Coinbase is expecting you to do for them. Loan them all of your money, and you don't have any recourse if they file bankruptcy. That's what they're saying. That's not what I'm saying. Doesn't sit well with me. If you're fine with it, dude, that's the difference, right? That's the difference. I don't like the wording of it, but you could, and you could completely believe in the company, and that is fine, dude. They are the largest crypto exchange in the world. 89 million users, man. Furthermore, it sucks having to stomach my realized 4,000 loss plus fees. Just go somewhere else. I hope I can cover those fast. You know what, Kalani? Yeah, dude. I'll touch on that in 2 seconds. I want to see what Frodo says here. My exposure to Bitcoin is in a green crypto miner, stock GREE, and has bled a bunch since I bought in. With average, yeah, Frodo, and that's the same deal, man. These crypto, and here's the thing I like about that. I don't know a ton of different crypto stocks, but I do like Riot and Mara, okay? And I will point those two out to you guys if you want to watch them. Riot and Mara, I believe they came out like in 2017 or transitioned in 2017, at least to blockchain companies. I don't know exactly what all they do, okay? But I do know that they are associated and very heavily attached to the movement in crypto. They were doing very well, and then 2018, crypto sells off. Those crypto stocks, Riot and Mara, I believe it was Riot, went down to 70 cents. 70 cents, okay? And then it peaked down at 70 cents, or dropped down to 70 cents, I believe, in 2020. And since then, it's back down to like $7 today, but rose to $70 because crypto was soaring. If you prefer to expose yourself to cryptocurrency through a brokerage account, okay? Now I know it might not have the same luster and the same, I guess, feel is actually owning a Bitcoin. But if crypto exchanges are going to treat you this way, and your broker is going to be insured, and you want that exposure to Bitcoin and crypto prices, maybe the safer option is to get involved in a company like that. If crypto does well, they do well. If crypto does bad, they do terrible, okay? You still have that exposure, but your money is in a broker as opposed to a crypto exchange. That is also an option if you guys are, unsure about Coinbase, if you're unsure about decentralized wallets, if you're unsure about hard storage or cold wallets, that is also an option that you can look at. And just to look at it, I don't know if we got it on the chart here, but let's see. So Riot here. Let's go weekly since we're looking at a couple years. So 50. Riot actually hit 50 cents. Back in 2017 when Bitcoin was soaring. We know the drill now. Bitcoin peaked at the end of 2017, ran up to $19,000, $20,000. Riot went from $2, $3 up to 42, 10x. Bitcoin sold off like crazy. Crypto, looked dead. And then down here in 2020, bottomed at 50 cents. Bitcoin and everything runs again, shoots up to $79. I mean, those are some massive gains. And anybody would love to be exposed to 100x gains. Bitcoin did not 100x, guys. Bitcoin 20x'd. And this stock here basically 150x'd. So this is a way to expose yourself to the crypto market without being exposed to crypto exchanges and DeFi wallets and cold storage and all of that. Now, clearly, like all other stocks, like all other cryptos, it has been getting hit very hard since November, sitting at $46, currently sitting at $7, touching $625 this week. If crypto sells off, man, and Bitcoin goes back down to $5-10 grand, we might see Riot back down in the $1 to $2 range again. So it doesn't mean that it's necessarily time to buy this right now, but I do want to put a stock like this, and then Mara is another one that you guys can look at. If you're interested in this one as well, going from 35 cents back in 2020 up to $83. Okay, drastic gains. That is a 30 cents to $30 would be a 100x gain. That's basically a 250, 300x gain that you saw if you were willing to hold Mara. So I don't know. There's some options for you if you would rather, go the brokerage route as opposed to all that. And very sorry that I missed so much, guys, on the way there. I was going off on that. If I missed one of your chats, please get it in the chat again. We're just going to recoup down here at the bottom so I don't have to go through and miss a bunch more. But I got to say, Chris, thank you for the super chat, Chris. Hopping in late. Are we still scared of the day-to-day? Never. Better not be. No, that's what I'm talking about. Chris is built to... Chris is learning to be a very scary investor, man. Chris is learning to throw his emotion away. I like it. Better not be and not make work that, man, to stay scared and broke. Heck no. So get with it. Glad to be here. Missed the dip today. Diamonds coming next week if no rain. Stay ready, baby. I like it. You know what the difference is, man? And I was thinking about this. Last night and this morning. If you want to lose, develop a victim mentality. Okay? If you want to lose, you have to develop that victim mentality. Crypto's down, stocks are down, we are losers, we can't control anything about our futures. If you push on saying that you are in control of the decisions that you make, you are in control of your attitude, and you are in control of your future, guess what you will be? Successful. You will be in control of your future. You will have a good attitude. And whatever the other one I said is, that's what you will be as well. You have that determination to make. Don't be the victim. Be the victor. And one of the best ways to do that is to believe in yourself and the fact that you have control. Hey, bro, are you going to buy a Luna? So, Mr. Mint, I was looking at Luna this morning. If it is available on Webull to buy, I may risk a little bit, man. I may take it as a lottery ticket play, knowing full well that it may never recover. Okay, if I do, I'm not gonna go in and drop a ton of money and wish that I never would have done that. If I do, it'll be for fun and to see what happens with it. Because it can still go lower, right? It can still go to 0.000001. It can still lose 99% from here. Who's going to buy Luna? Jason. I mean, Luna's a lottery ticket, guys. You got to treat Luna as a lottery ticket at this point, okay? Please. Hey, bro. I'll put Chris's $20 he just donated into Luna. I probably should do that, man. Nice $20 lottery ticket on Luna to see if I can turn it into, what, $100,000? I'm just curious if it is safe to still use Coinbase wallet. So, Ralph, supposedly yes, but I was talking about that a little earlier, man. Supposedly yes, but I was talking about that a little bit earlier. I don't know what happens to their apps and to their programs if they go bankrupt. I don't know enough about app development to say how that app stays alive. As far as your funds being considered custody of Coinbase, the article did explain that because it's decentralized, they would not be considered custody of Coinbase. Coinbase wallet itself, I don't know what happens to apps, right? Like if Apple goes bankrupt, does the Apple App Store still live on? You no longer have access. I would imagine you no longer have access to those apps. Are they stored on some sort of a server somewhere? Like, these are the questions that I cannot answer. If anybody has developed or knows about app development, please speak up in the chat right now. But I don't know how those apps live on. If Google and Apple both went bankrupt, can we access any apps anymore? I don't know how those are facilitated. The spread is high. So the spread on Luna is a little high. I was looking at that earlier on Webull. Luna being at, 2 cents now. I mean, look at this. I was looking at it at 5 cents earlier. Okay, 5-6 cent range. And I do know that the spread was around 0.007 cents. So 0.007 cents, I imagine right now you would, on the bottom, on the sell end, you would be around 1.5 cents or so. If anybody can chime in what the actual spread is, let me know. But I do believe it would be around 1.5 cents. So you still would have doubled your money getting in when it was 5 cents to 1.8 cents here. Wouldn't have been a triple, but it still would have been a double. Going from 0.007 to 0.00 or 0.014. Based on the spread that I saw earlier. I don't know what it's at right now, but if you're buying on Webull, you got to look at that spread too. But yeah, if anybody wants to give an idea of what the spread is on Webull right now, please do so, because I don't think that it shows me if I click here. No, because I'm not logged in, I don't have the buy button on here, so I can't see what the spread is. But if you guys want to let me know, please. What's up, Clever family? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? How you doing, man? SD is a good OG bro. He's been in the channel since the beginning. Heck yeah, man. SD is a good OG bro. Yeah, ApeCoin went crazy today. So far, so good. ApeCoin back up to what? $6? $6 on Ape? $8 on Ape. Wow. I thought it was at $6 this morning when I looked. Yeah, so I think it was $6 range this morning. Yeah, when I was looking at it, $6. Shooting up to $8.70 right now. Ape is going ape, up 54% on ApeCoin right there. Guys, like I say, I don't think that we've hit the bottom, but there is some absolute volatility going on that if you are looking to trade and you are willing to take risks, because remember, this could drop all the way back down to, $6 in no time, and you could lose an easy 25% right there. But right now, man, the volatility is real if you guys are looking to trade. Short-term trade, right? Donnell, thank you for the 7-month member chat. Click, thank you for always making us feel better. We are all stronger together. You the bomb. You the bomb, Donnell. You the bomb. Thank you I do appreciate that. Look, guys, I truly feel upset too, right? I do. I feel upset that everything is down. Like, I do feel the same emotions that you guys do. I am forcing myself, however, to take that long-term mentality and that long-term, that glass half full approach. I did not, I did mine in 2017 before peak prices were hit and things like that. So I did have some exposure to the rise up, but I rode the coins that I was mining all the way down from, I believe Zcash was around $700 down to like $12 per share in 2020. So I've rode through some pretty ridiculous losses in crypto, and I did not stack up in 2020. I did not load up in 2015 when Bitcoin was at $400. I did not stack up heavy in 2020, but I am unwilling to let a third chance go. So, that's what I'm looking for. If the downside does get worse, I've got to take that, maybe this could be the last and final chance approach. And it's giving me one last time to get in and, build a solid crypto portfolio where people are going to be like, oh my God, dude, how did you get so much Ethereum? That's ridiculous. You got way too much, man. Sell it. Look at it as an opportunity instead of a problem. Bought it about 0.016 cents. It gave me about 0.024. Okay, wow. So if you got Luna at 0.016 cents, almost double, man. The spread does look very high there then. So watching that spread, if you guys are getting in on Webull, the good news is, I know the spread on the downside might be down there, but it does look like you're already about to break even on the mid price right here. So SD, very nice, dude. Getting in at 0.016, rising up, dude. Hey, man, look, if it goes back up to 10 cents right here, maybe take some sick profit and 5x your money in a matter of minutes. As far as the stock market's concerned, guys, a little recap right now. The NASDAQ is doing okay, trying to stay above even. GameStop was doing much better earlier today, selling off a little bit. So a lot of the volatility seems to be calming down. GameStop up 10%. BR Therapeutics up 2% right now. Farmy is up 5%. Was doing very well. My God, can't believe it dropped all the way back down to 0.79. But sitting at 0.842 right now. God, I hate these sell-offs, man. I hate when a coin or when a stock gives back all of its daily gains. It is sickening. So just go back up now. Stop the nonsense. AMC kind of steadying off, trading sideways after rising up very nicely this morning. Still sitting on an 8% gain. Not a ton going on with cryptocurrency here, but overall uptrend from the lows that we hit earlier. Sundial 2% higher. Mullen Auto up to 90 cents from, I believe, 75 cents earlier today. Mullen Auto doing very nice, up 13% of the day. CEI down slightly. The SPY down slightly. PBIG up 6 to $2.64. Highcroft Mining sitting 4% higher, and Netflix sitting 4% higher as well. And then, of course, we got Luna sitting here, selling off a little bit as soon as SD breaks even there, sitting at 0194 at the moment. So we're going to keep our eyes on everything there. Hopefully we got nothing but gains the rest of the day today. 5K super sticker, and Clay does a strip. I don't know if there is a such thing as a 5K super sticker. Hey man, if you guys want a little tease, maybe we can go on over to the other channel there and make that happen. Sure, Super Chat 5,000. I don't know why you guys want to see that, but hey man, if we make it happen, we make it happen. Well guys, aren't the prices to drop even more as the interest rates keep rising to 1.75? I mean, we may even, yeah, Rabio, Monday. That's my mentality as well. Okay, I think that the reason crypto and stock prices are falling hasn't been resolved yet, so therefore we could see continuation of the decline. The bounces we're seeing right now, I believe, are because prices are looking really cheap, and we've got a lot of people coming in and buying bargains. That might not be sustainable. The overall market conditions are going to be harder to change. I think it's going to do the May run-up. SD, man. If it gets it, it gets it, dude. I hope you 10x, 20x, 100x your money on that, dude. But, guys, I saw that. Citadel and AMC together. They used the theaters in New York City and Chicago to watch Doctor Strange. You can't make this up. Yeah, owning the float, man. Isn't that ridiculous? They said they were very nice theaters, though. Very nice theater. They did that on purpose, man. I know they did that on purpose. Somebody at that office had a great idea. Oh, you know what? How to get back at these idiot kids? Let's go slap them in the face by going to AMC and saying how nice it is. That'll be great. And then they're like, oh, yeah, great idea. Great idea. Let's do it. I guarantee that's the conversation that took place down there. I know I have more in Luna, but I've been buying and say only have 35 worth 3,000 shares. Jose, good deal, man. I don't know where you've been buying from, like if you happen to write it down or what the deal is there, but I absolutely hope the best for you, man. Guys, listen to Mr. Nice Guy. Get a green name if you want a green name in the chat. If you're using Android, get that icon. It still shows up as a green name for me. Never know what this stuff gonna do in a few years from now. Yeah, Impossible Doc, man. Impossible Doc. I think a few years from now, it's going to be fine. I really like the future of decentralized currencies and digital assets and digital currencies. I think they have a future. I truly do. All of them? No, man, I do think that a lot of them are going to be weeded out on the way. But I do think that blockchain and crypto absolutely has a future. So that's why I am willing to load up when everybody thought it was dead in 2020. And I didn't. I can't kick myself again. Dirt cheap and more room to handle risk. Absolutely. Bye-bye from SwiftX. Once upon a storyteller. Yeah, listen, what do you guys want to buy from, right? Hey, buddy, please help us out. In a video, you mentioned that Coinbase will take all your crypto if they go bankrupt. If we move to a wallet, the gas fees are crazy. I don't know what to do. So, Mariana, you are correct. The gas fees are ridiculous right now. But at the same time, I do want to say that, the CEO of Coinbase says that they're nowhere near bankruptcy. I personally do not think they are anywhere near bankruptcy at the moment. And what they mentioned was that if they do file bankruptcy, because no crypto exchange has filed bankruptcy before, They don't know if you will be deemed a creditor or the owner of those assets. There's a chance that you will be a creditor. So knowing that, should you sell? Should you walk away? At this point in time, I don't think it's an immediate danger to have anything in Coinbase. If Coinbase does, however, continue to lose active users, they make less money, their costs are eating up all of their reserves. In that case, things could get a little bit choppier for Coinbase. But I think that would be quarters or even, a year or two down the road before you'd really have to worry about that. So I don't think it's anything of immediate danger if you aren't willing to, pay gas fees or close out of your positions right now and move them somewhere else. So I wouldn't panic is the way that I would say that. You have plenty of time to make the decision on what you want to do and where you want to hold your assets. I would not stress out about it right now. If I move my coins to a Coinbase wallet, it's free, but you're still with Coinbase. So yeah, the only difference there, and like I said, I've answered this question a couple times today, I don't know what happens to apps when the company goes bankrupt. I don't know if that app will still be supported or not. But because it's a decentralized app, you will not be, because it's a decentralized app, you will not be considered a creditor is what they called it. You will not be considered a creditor because it's decentralized. So you still have to, consider all of that, but I wouldn't go into panic mode right now. Pika Power member 2 months. Claybro, can't buy Luna altcoin daily. It just confirmed Terra blockchain has officially halted. Interesting. Mr. Nice Guy. And did I miss something from Pika? I don't know if I missed something from Pika or if you... Did I miss a member chat from Pika? Because it does not show up. Did I miss a... Huh. I don't know, guys. If I missed a member chat from Pika, I'm very sorry on that. Because it looks like the way you copy and pasted that, I thought it was a member chat or something. But, okay, so is it still, let's see what Luna's doing here. Luna's still trading on Webull here. We still got price action on Webull. So I don't know where we're getting that price action from. But it's still moving around a little bit there. So very weird that we still got price action on it while the blockchain is being shut down. Where would you put your assets? Cold storage, Webull, MetaMask. So Quentin. Yes. I think one of the best strategies to probably go along with is a bit of diversification amongst where you hold your crypto as well. MetaMask is cool, okay? MetaMask is an app, right? Like, I don't know what happens if they shut down MetaMask. But MetaMask is an app, and you can access your MetaMask literally from any device across the world. So it's got its pros in that way. That it's a decentralized app, and if you want to access it here, if you want to access it in Brazil, if you want to access it in I don't know, man. If you've got internet access on top of Mount Everest, you can access your crypto from anywhere in the world using those apps. Brokerages, they are, they're insured, and you've got the certain benefits of that. However, they're centralized. Cold storage. Literally nobody can get into your cold storage, and as long as that thing powers up, as long as that thing works and doesn't get ruined, you are going to have that crypto. Now, it's a little bit more difficult to access. I mean, you could put it through your washing machine. You could run over it with your car. Like, there's real-world incidents that could happen with cold storage. But I don't think it's bad, especially if you've got a decent amount, to diversify where you hold it, the same as you would diversify that. If your house burns down and your cold storage wallet burns down with it, shoot, dude, I don't know what insurance looks like, but I'm sure they wouldn't want to pay out $5 million in cryptocurrency if it was all stored on your cold storage. Especially if they couldn't determine how much was on there. If the exchange or the broker shuts down, goes bankrupt, you got to worry about what they're gonna do. Decentralized wallet, if they shut it down, you don't have internet somewhere. Like there's a bunch of pros and cons to every single one. Roulette wheel, you missed my 20-year membership, 5,000. My gosh, roulette wheel. I'm sorry about that. Oh, well, we're not. Oh, that's for me and you later. Roulette wheel. Sorry about that. Oh gosh, this guy's name, man. I don't know about this guy's name. Mint, Mr. Mint. Thank you for the super chat. She said a few things to you, and you're being rude, not acknowledging her presence. Pika Power is the queen of queens. Show some respect. Absolutely, man. And I will say that I will never not acknowledge anybody, especially Pika, but I will never not acknowledge anybody, guys. You know that, and I was probably just going on some rant about something, answering a question, but I will definitely not ignore anybody's chat, man. Clearly the chat's a little bit, I guess, faster than normal today, so I would never do that. Pika knows that. Are these trying times in the market? Emotions should be in check, not letting any external influences take control over your judgment. Rather, focus on what will give you success. Ian De Leon, official, man. I love it. Absolutely, dude. Join Claybro membership for only 10 cents a day. LFG, man, 10 cents a day can feed a Claybro. 10 cents a day can feed a Claybro, guys. Easy as that. If you want to... I'm so hungry. Stephanie B, bro. Stephanie B, what is going on? Guys, we missed Stephanie's birthday. 2 days ago. So everybody, give Stephanie a happy birthday right now. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Happy birthday to you. Guys, make sure to give Stephanie a happy birthday. We missed it 2 days ago, but she is here now. And a happy birthday to you, Stephanie. Thank you very much for being in here. Wait, Ledger Nano S Plus, what do you think? If you don't run over it with your car, you're the best. That was hilarious. Yeah, so like Ledgers and Trezor, I think that those are two very good cold storage wallets. I don't know if they're necessary if you're just sitting on a little bit of crypto, but I do think it's a way to diversify your holdings. Absolutely. What's up, bros? Lucas, what's going on, man? I wonder, could this be some type of government attack? Impossible, Doc. The conspiracies would say yes, but me, I don't know at this point, man. I'm old, dude. I don't like this. Stephanie, I'm old too. It's all right. We could be old together, Stephanie. We could be old together. You're old, I'm old, we're all old. Happy birthday, 70, bro. Oh yes, keep buying Shiba and stocking up for the run, baby. Lucas, that is the strategy, man. Happy birthday, Stephanie. Happy birthday, Stephanie. Happy birthday, Steph. I love it. Yes, cold storage, buy two, once upon a time storytelling. Absolutely, man. You just gotta, weigh the pros and cons, man. That's my take on where to store your crypto, is weigh the pros and the cons. What works best for you might not work best for me. You know what I mean? Like if you can't remember a password to save your life and you write your decentralized exchange password down somewhere and you lose that piece of paper, you can't get back into your wallet. Same deal with cold storage. You need to have that. If you're going to lose it, you're going to lose it. So this is not a place for birthdays. I have a question. Sam Demand, this is absolutely the place for birthdays. Happy birthday, Stephanie. B, happy birthday, Stephanie. I love it. Guys, a make B-day this month, too. Yes, you guys know my birthday is coming up later this month as well. May 26th will be my birthday. And finally, Nufo, after telling me happy birthday literally every day this year, will finally be right when he tells me happy birthday on May 26th. I have been trying to mint land in Shiba versus MetaMask to no avail. I keep getting approved Shiba spend limit. I adjusted the same thing. Any video tutorial would... JA. I do not have one, but Archangel may have one. So if you go out on Twitter and you look up Archangel, he actually may be on the link tree that Milkshake's got out on her Twitter there. Not exactly sure. He does a lot of the tutorials and a lot of the videos for the breeds team and for the ecosystem team. So he may have one. I am not sure if he does. But I have not bought any lands. I don't know if I plan on buying any lands. But with that being said, he may have a tutorial because I do not have one. I'm a 26 as well, but March. Nice, dude. Anybody else got a 26th birthday out there? We need one of the Claybro B-Day NFTs. Guys, we do need a birthday NFT. We need something to give away on my birthday, right? Happy birthday. Paul, you're talking to Stephanie, right? Not me. My birthday is not until the 26th. Great. Thank you, J.A. Absolutely. 70B. Oh, my God. You're going to give me a dog? You're going to give me a dog for my birthday? 70B? Is that what you're saying there? Honestly, Clay doesn't ignore no one compared to other YouTube crypto. Once upon a time, I mean, it is difficult, right? Especially when I'm going on and trying to explain something. You know, I may miss a bunch of chats, but you guys, I honestly think everybody in here does know that I try my absolute best to get to every single chat, answer every single question. I know a lot of them are repeat questions, but I don't want anybody to ever feel like they're being ignored in the chat. It gets a little bit more difficult. ¿Cómo está hoje? Mais pobre. Na verdade, não. Na verdade, não. Ontem estava muito pior. Today is looking very good, actually, compared to yesterday. So Stephanie was asking if we're even more poor today, but the answer is no. Things seem to be bouncing back from where they were yesterday. And hoje é melhor que ontem. So today is better than yesterday, guys. Today is better than yesterday. Greetings from sunny Athens. Athens, Georgia, or Athens, Greece? Dragon from Balkans. Dragon from Balkans, man. Greetings to you as well. It is sunny and 80 here in Ohio, so it's doing very well. Yes, Stephanie, it's always good not to be poor. It's always good to be making money, right? Thank you, God. Yes, that's what I was saying, too. That's what I was saying, too, today. Hey, Clay, has Chipro been around lately? Yes, so Brandon, Chipro ate an entire, well, not ate them, but Chipro took an entire bowl of sunflower seeds yesterday, and then I had some out today. I hope he's not stealing them right now, but I do hope that he comes and eats some. I did see him out this morning before the live stream, and I hope to see him out again this afternoon and feed him those, but I left him outside, so he might be stealing all of them right now. Athens from Greece, Dragon from Balkans. I have been to Athens, Greece, man. I've been to Athens, Greece. I'm going to tell you, beautiful place, but I went there in the winter. And I believe it would be much better in the summer, but I'm telling you, man, there were no tourists there. It was a little cold out, but no tourists there, and it was very cool to be there when nobody was there. So it was dead empty, and it was very cool, man. Is this a bull trap? Clowny? It could be. Talk about why in a second. My apologies, Clara. I don't know how your birthdays. No. Sam Demand, you're all good, dude. We absolutely do birthdays in here. We're the bros, dude. We're bros, man. You tell your brother happy birthday, right? Absolutely. Hey, Clay, first time typing on here. Weeble just sent me a warning about Luna. Wesley, very interesting. Luna does look 1251 to 12. Luna does look like it may have been suspended on here, okay? Luna sitting at 0105. The last tick seems to be at 1251. It is currently 1253, so it doesn't look like we have any ticks happening after 1251. It may be, is it suspended? It could be suspended. All right, I don't have any messages up here about it being suspended, but it is not ticking, and the last tick was 1251. So I don't know what's going on with that. If the blockchain is shut down, they may be shutting Luna down right there as well. Wesley, thank you for letting us know. Stephanie says, let's get a kangaroo. São Paulo, Brazil. Yes, São Paulo, Brazil, guys. Guys, why is Stefano about Greece? Because my friend here is from Athens, Greece. Dude, you speak fast. A lot, really. It's crazy. I know. But in order to keep up with the chat, I need to speak a little fast. So in order to make sure that I talk to everybody in here, I need to answer all of the questions fast. Sorry, Mr. Stream, deal with a flat tire in the rain on a roadside hung up on me. My birthday is Saturday. We're going to be singing happy birthday to you then, Frank. You know we will. We'll sing either tomorrow or Monday. We'll give you your choice. Hey, Clay, how do I make sure, Weeble knows you sent me? Bill, you can do one of two things, man. You can send me a message on Twitter, but if you clicked on my link and you sign up when you click on my link, Weeble is going to know that you sent me. You're going to get those 5 free stocks, and then if you do $1 in crypto, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. I can actually see like the first 3 letters of the email or the phone number that signed up. So like if you wanted to confirm, you can send me a message on Twitter. But if you did it by clicking on my link, then you're going to be good. You're going to be good to get those 5 free stocks and that $5 in free crypto. I have not seen any chipmunk here yet. Last year, they were trying to come on front porch. Hopefully, I missed them, and they're still around. Yeah, Cassie, I actually saw, the squirrels I was talking about that lived in that tree hole? I don't even know where they're at now. I haven't been around. Frank, my birthday is Saturday, too. Okay, 2 birthdays on Saturday. You guys better remind me either tomorrow or Monday. Remind me, I want to tell you, happy birthday. Trade stocks, ETFs, options, cryptos, and all from one account. Sign up. Guys, Weeble account right there. Weeble account right there. If you want to use that one, then sign up. You're going to get 5 free stocks. Mr. Nice Guy, thank you very much for selling that or sharing that link there. How to remove your question? I made many mistakes. Sam Demand. No, it's okay, dude. I didn't say it. I don't want to make it weird. Happy birthday, clear up. My question came after Shitsu Inu said bone is best. Is you do anything trading Shiba. So look, trading your Shiba Inu coin for bone could be a good idea if you want to diversify a little bit. I don't think you need to trade it all for bone, but if you plan on moving your assets, whether that's just Shiba Inu coin, just bone, or literally more of your cryptos over to Shibarium, the level 2 blockchain, you will need bone. You will need bone to buy and sell. It is the same way you need Ethereum to buy and sell anything on the Ethereum blockchain. You will need bone to pay your gas fees if you move over to Shibarium. So you got to keep that in mind, that it is a necessity to trade on Shibarium. Yo, what's up, bro? Let's get this money rebound, baby. Brandon, let's get it, man. Let's get this money. I like it. Let's get this money rebound, baby. Let's do it. Bitcoin's still bouncing up, guys. Bitcoin's sitting at $29,700 right now, and could be looking pretty good there. Would you call this a crypto winter, recession, a crash, bear market, or something else? So, Remy, they say crypto winters. I do believe this started over winter, right? We saw the November timeframe come in and look really bad. I believe that the crypto winter did start there. I believe this is a bear market. I truly believe this is a bear market for crypto and stocks, simply because of everything that's going on, and I know that this is going to last a while. A lot of people are looking towards, a lot of different things that could change the market. Politics being one of them. Lockdowns in China and supply chain issues being another. The war between Russia and Ukraine. Inflation and a potential recession that needs to take place. There's a lot of things right now that are going to cause the market to continue being difficult. And because of that, I think it's a bear market. Are we the bottom? Probably not. But man, I am telling you what, if you guys stay positive, right? Nobody, and I'm telling you right now, I am losing alongside of you, probably more than a lot of people, and I would assume less than a lot of people. But I'm losing right alongside of you in this down market right now. I am not sitting in cash at the moment, but because of the difficulty, I need to remind myself daily to push on, and that this could be a 2008, 2009 buying opportunity, and this could be a 2020 dip on crypto, where we have the opportunity to set ourselves up over the next 3 to 5 years to be absolute, just ridiculous millionaires, man. But you have to take advantage of it. If you have the victim mentality and you give up saying that you lost, you can't beat it, you can't do it, you are done, guess what you've done? You have lost. You got to push through, man. I said that we're going to something to bring up to Luna. Is some digital bank is going to help? No, anything about that? That I do not know about, guys. I have not been paying 100% attention to Luna, so I know I've missed things there. If anybody else has any updates, like you guys probably know more than I do at the moment since I've been on the live for the last hour, please keep us informed. Yes, definitely a bear market. Jason, definitely started trading blue chip cryptos. The swings I have made back at least some of my losses. Ryan, especially in the last day or two, man, you're seeing like 50% swings. So you can absolutely make some money if you're willing to trade it right now. I'm not trading it, but if you guys are willing to trade it, dude, the gains are there. The volatility is there. When the volatility is there, you know, you can make or lose a lot of money. Goodbye, everyone. Have a beautiful day. It is Stephanie B. How old will you be? Stephanie B. Você ainda está aqui. Remy quer saber quantos anos você tem. Let him know. But time to start buying dips, or is it still dipping? Isaac, both. Short term, you know, we may be seeing a lot of volatility and a lot of bounces. If you get that longer term mentality, I honestly don't think it's done dipping. I have a bunch of unrealized losses right now too, Clay, with not much dry powder on the side, but I'm holding strong and still believe my investments will pay off in the long run. LFG Moaz Inc. Let's do it, man. Absolutely. You know, Frodo, that's where I'm sitting at too, man. That's where I'm sitting at too. No fiat to trade at the moment. Done. Yeah, a Mukram. Basha, man. Me too. Mr. Sam, hello, goodbye. Oh, why do you say a buy before it's over? It's actually over, man. It was over a minute ago. AMC Trapper. Peace out to the diamond-handed apes, baby. Listen up, guys. We will take a break, okay? We'll be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Time really flew today. I got to say thank you. Guys, you kept the chat really moving today. I mean, honestly, you guys were killing it today. I really appreciate that. Hopefully you didn't forget to click the like button. You did, because there's only 84 likes. Click that like button if you can. I do want to say thank you guys very much for keeping the chat moving. A lot of great questions today. Very positive attitude, even in the face of everything that the market is doing. You guys are absolutely incredible. I have no doubt in my mind that this is by far the most confident and the most optimistic and going to be the most successful chat that is anywhere on the internet, because your guys' attitude is absolutely going to take you into the future. So let's do some shout outs, guys. We'll be back in that 3 o'clock hour. And, you know, once again, thank you. Click the like button on the way out, all that good stuff. Cassie, time absolutely flew. Sam Demand, see you later. Rob, Remy, Mr. Simon, Holding, see you later. Thank you as well. Wayne, bro, my bro. Oh, yes. Remy, see you later. Pika Power. Pika Powder and Pika Power. Heck yeah. Hello, Mr. Simon, Sam Demand, Omar, Arabio, Amande, see you later. Wayne, enjoy your afternoon. Mr. Simon, Mike Garcia, Remy, bye. Oh, yes. Great man. Loved all the Shib dogs. Heck yeah. Jason, Paul Debo, man. A boom, boom. I like it. Jojo Fire. Hearts to you. Wesley, thumbs up. Thank you very much. Ian DeLeon, official. Thank you so much as well, man. Good night to you, Jojo Fire. Not exactly sure where you're from, but it's only 1 o'clock here. Enjoy your night if you guys are going to sleep. Aiden McHugh, see ya. Omar, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Stephanie. It'll be my birthday later this month. Angelo, peace, dude. Peace out to you, Angelo. Hopefully you guys all come back in the 3 o'clock hour, have some fun with us, keep it positive, all that good stuff. And look, you guys can see the green lines are starting to tick as we're signing off. So we're going to go through another rally during the break here, and we'll be back to celebrate it this afternoon. And I guess you guys know what time it is. Mariana and Emma, see you guys later. Happy early birthday. Thank you very much, Mariana. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.